designers are working hard to ensure that cars and car seats are designed to keep children as safe as possible. But it's up to every parent to take full advantage of these innovations by making sure their car seats and booster seats are used and installed correctly. Here's what you need to know to ensure that your most precious cargo is safe in cars. For the best protection, keep your baby in a rear-facing car seat until 2 years old or more. You can find the exact height and weight limit on the side or back of your car seat. Kids who ride in rear-facing seats have the best protection for the head, neck, and spine. You can move your children from a rear-facing seat to a forward-facing seat after age 2 or when they reach 30 pounds or 36 inches. From 40 to 80 pounds, they should be in a booster seat, and at 80 pounds, they can wear a seat belt. If you are having even the slightest trouble, questions, or concerns, certified child passenger safety technicians are able to help or even double-check your work. For more information, visit umchealthsystem.com.